and I want you to take time, look, because we can test on these too, okay? If we kind of go through and eventually get to that median cubital, these would be your jugulars. Here's your internal and external jugular. Here's your carotid, your left common carotid. Here's your right common carotid. Subclavian is shadowed under here on both sides. Now we're in the armpit, axillary. Now we're in the upper arm, radial. Now we're along the thumb side, radial, and along the ulnar side, okay? In this, we really can't see the aortic arches, they're kind of hiding back there. Okay, but then we can see the veins. So we'd have, here would be the subclavian vein, axillary vein, brachial vein, and then going into the radial and ulnar veins, okay? Now, we mentioned too, there's a superficial vein system too. Okay, that was the saphenous is part of that. And then there's two up here that we don't need to know, but the one you do need to know is this one that comes right across here. Okay, that's the median cubital vein. Okay, in the middle, in front of the elbow. That's the one they poke in. Okay. And when you give blood or when you're getting lab work done. That's typically the one of choice. This is one of the easier ones to find. Okay? So when you have IVs started, they go into these little superficial veins on the backs of your hands, usually first. Okay? So that's the median cubital vein right in here. Now we can see the descending aorta, okay, or abdominal aorta. We see the branches here going into the common iliac artery. And then we have 1, 2, external iliac, and now we can see it continuously down into the leg. When it comes out of the abdominal pelvic cavity, it has to change its name to femoral. Okay? And then here's the internal iliac, and that's going to the pelvic floor muscles and bladder. Okay? As the femoral artery dies down, it goes behind the knee, and now it's popliteal. Okay?
Popliteal?
Popliteal. And then you'd have the popliteal vein coming back up to the femoral vein, to the external iliac vein, to the common iliac vein, and then into the inferior vein. All right?
The same on both sides.
Same on both sides. The only place there's a difference is in arterial blood flow, right arm to left arm. Okay? So that's kind of what we have here. The saphenous vein would be this long one that's going down the whole leg. Okay? This big one here. That's the saphenous vein. Okay. So any questions about